Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make something easy and to me quick because it's quicker than you measuring out all the flour and baking soda and all of that. Red Velvet Cheesecake Brownies. So you have a brownie mix. I get this from Hobby Lobby. It's red gel color, a quarter cup of milk. I sub out the water for milk and the oil for butter, 1 stick of butter and 2 eggs room temperature. For the cheesecake, 1 bar of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 egg. And also I forgot the sugar. I gotta get some sugar. The sugar is a half a cup of white sugar. And I use a square pan. I put the foil liners in. I get these foil liners from Walmart. They're I think $1.12 and it comes 48 and they're pretty cool. They come lined as well. And then let's say you want to take these on the road, then you could get these bags. They're really cute and pretty bags from Dollar Tree. And so it's 25 for $1.25. All right, I'll be back. Mixing the cream cheese mixture. Okay, so as far as with the brownie mix, take about 2 tablespoons of this. You squeeze it in. I just kind of fudge it. Sorry. Then you see, it turns red. Red. That's a better angle. Red. Just like that. Alright, so I use this. This is about a quarter cup of a scoop, red one. And I do a quarter scoop. Then I do 1 tablespoon on top and swirl. And loving it goes. Okay, so this is what they look like at 8 minutes. And so what I like to do is turn it around and I gotta clean my oven. I'm not looking forward to it, but it is what it is. Put them on top. And I would then do it maybe, I said for 8 minutes, but I'm gonna be honest with you. It depends on your oven as usual, but I would do it for about, I'm gonna do 5 minutes and then check it and then just keep on seeing how far to go. Because sometimes the cheesecake be a little brown, so I'm gonna watch it. Alright, be back. So basically they're done. So I'm gonna take them out and let them cool off. And then I'm gonna package them in the gift bags. Sorry about that. I'm gonna package them in the gift bags and then show you how that looks. Alright, I'll be back again. So here's the finished product, where you can wrap them up and take them with you or give them out as gifts. You could put them in a basket or even a box with a ribbon and it looks really pretty. But there they are, Red Velvet Cheesecake Brownies. Yay! So I just wanted to say thank you for watching, and if you can please, of course, subscribe, like, and comment, and share. That would be awesome. More to come. I also have another channel. It's more with music, and I'll put the link below. Also, I make shirts. I have an Etsy shop. I am amazing. We're all amazing. If you could check that out, I'll leave the link there. And one more thing, I also sell on Amazon. I sell notebooks and journals, and there's something there for everybody. Link down below. Give it a look. I appreciate your time, and let me know if you try this out and if you like it and if it helps you out in any way. I'm, like I said, always for can I make this a little easier on myself since I have 50 million and 11 other things that I have to do? And so this is one little trick that I came up with. And there's more to come. Please stay tuned. I appreciate it. Thank you.